What's going on, guys? So this morning I got some questions on intermittent fasting again, and so I wanted to try to break it down in a different way to hopefully help people understand exactly what's going on and why people are finding so much success in it with trying to cut down on body fat or weight loss. Now, you've heard me say before plenty of times that the secret to weight loss, and the only key to weight loss is to be in a calorie deficit. You have to simply expend more energy than you bring in, right? So we take a look at intermittent fasting. Let's just take a look at somebody's day. We're going to use points instead of calories just to make things pretty easy. And let's say that you eat roughly 5 times a day and you get 5 points for each of those meals. And so that gives you 25 points. Now you're gaining weight and you're looking to make a change. Well, someone says, hey, you should intermittent fast. Sir, I'll try that. What does that mean? Your last meal's at 7 o'clock, which is what you normally do anyway, but you're not going to eat until 12. So we're just going to take those off. So what you've done is you've kept everything the same. And now we're at 15, so 10 points lower. Of course, that's gonna be a big change. Then you're probably gonna see some weight loss. Now, the thing about this is, it doesn't matter. There's no secret, no magic happening here that gets you to that weight loss. It's simply the fact that you've restricted the amount of calories that you had that day, cutting it down by 10 points. If instead of doing 5, 5, 5 at 12 through the afternoon, you could certainly have, a little breakfast, maybe a snack here, a big lunch. Right now, we're already halfway through our day. We've eaten all the way up, but we're only at 9 points, still have 6 left. Let's say we only have a little something here and then a regular dinner. I'm pretty sure that math adds up to be 15. And if not, I think you get the point. We can do the same thing throughout your week for calorie cycling as well. So let's say that we look for 140 points as our weekly target. And I like weekly targets because it allows some flexibility. Your body doesn't just all of a sudden like reboot and reset every morning and decide that it needs a different set of calories. So if we're doing 140 points, that could easily be 20 points every single day. The problem is, these 3 days are typically not like every other day. Friday, Saturday, Sunday, we tend to earn or bring in a little bit more than we spend. So let's just say that on Friday you add 5 points there. Saturday's a big day, hanging out by the pool, having a few drinks or something like that. You're up to 30 points. And then Sunday you reel things back in, but you're back down to 25. So on the weekend now, you've overspent by 20 points. Well, all we have to do here is just come back in and say, now instead of having 20, on these 4 days, I'm gonna eat 15, add these with this, and you're back at 140, but you enjoyed your weekend. Instead of being pretty full and maybe eating up to your calorie limit every single day here, you brought it back down a little bit. It wasn't uncomfortable, but it was fine. You just weren't feeling stuffed, and on the weekend, you had a great time. So hopefully maybe these points can help simplify things for you to look at calorie cycling throughout the week to enjoy your weekend, and to understand that, hey, look, if you want to intermittent fast because you don't mind not eating here, that's fine, do it. But you don't have to. It's all about the ultimate calorie number.